Hello everyone, so today we're making an origami fox. To do that you will need a square piece of paper and you need to fold it in half to make a triangle. That's the first fold we make. Make sure it's nice and neat. And then you're going to do, weirdly, one of my favourite folds, I don't know why, but you fold one corner into the middle and then you need to fold the other corner again into the middle. And this makes a sort of square shape to work with. Make sure the folds are nice and crisp. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it over again across the middle to make a triangle again. Now you'll now have 3 flaps. You can see on that side. So on that side we're going to just fold over one flap fairly narrowly to sort of make an arrow shape. Then you're going to fold over the middle flap into a similar shape, but then you're going to open it up and then fold it down the middle. That makes the fox's little face. And then you have the fox's face and his nice big ears. Now we're going to fold this part over and that will make the tail. And that can even sit upright on your desk or on your mantelpiece or on a shelf. I hope you enjoy making this as much as I did.